All right, so we just finished delivering to Katie's Coffee Corner. Okay, we already updated our inventory, so we are on the next section here. So, next section we have here is that we end up receiving our coffees. Okay, we end up receiving our regular coffee and our supreme coffees. Let me push this forward, okay? So there you go. We received our coffees, and we also have the delivery services as well for delivering those coffees. So in this case, what do I need to do?
You used regular coffee, supreme coffee, accounts payable. Yeah, that
Okay, got it. Right. Copy all of this, and I'm gonna paste it here. Okay, for June 24. Right. Let's make some more adjustments now. So in this case, we got Atlas Coffee Corner. Okay, or I'm sorry, Atlas Coffee Importers. Okay, we got invoice number 355. Still got the 1%, 15 net 30. Okay. And let's go ahead and adjust our delivery as well, right? We still got the freight line. Okay, invoice number 632. COD, and we will be needing to write a check. So let's go ahead and fill in the rest of the journal. So in this case, how much regular coffee did I buy and how much supreme coffee did I buy?
$173.75.
173.75, and my supreme. Okay. Right, I equal to 375.
Also, divide the delivery charges.
Okay, so
62.
in this case we got a total of 62.50 divided by 2, which is 31.25. 62.50.
Write a check for freight line.
Okay, so we're gonna write a check. So check register. This time we got check number 1523. Oh, today is June 24th for 1523 for $62.50. And we're writing this out to Freightline. Okay. Sorry, let me look real quick. I'm missing a transaction. I am missing a transaction. I'm supposed to pay furniture store. Did we make a payment to furniture store? No, we didn't. Okay. All right, just continue. Keep going. So in this case, right, we obtain our coffee. Right, here's our check number 1523. Okay. So what's next?
The ledger.
The ledger. Okay. Okay, so let's see what we have here. Regular coffee. So here we are in the regular coffee. We also did some freight costs. So in this case, right, we purchased 125 pounds at a 173.75. We have freight for $31.25 or 31.25. So in this case, what's my grand total that should be in my regular coffee account?
$352.80.
35280. Good, excellent. We purchased 125 pounds and we are going to be doing our shipping as well. Okay. We got 201.25 for buying the coffee for 125 pounds. And we have shipping for $31.25. So in this case, your ending balance in your Supreme Coffee account should be $431.22. Okay. Invoice number How much do I owe? How much do I owe Atlas Coffee?
$3.75.
$3.75. So that's going to give me my account balance to be $11,481.94. Okay. We wrote a check number 1523 for a total of $62.50. So what is my ending balance in my checking account? $24.30, but I got 27, not 72. Okay. So what is next?
That's the ledger.
The subsidiary ledger. Good. So let's see. We're dealing with Atlas Coffee Importers. Here they are. It is the 24th, and we did receive we did receive 125 pounds of regular coffee and 125 pounds of Supreme Coffee. Invoice number 355. What was my terms?
It was the same thing as last time.
Good. And so then when is my discount due date?
July 9.
July 9. And when is my bill actually due? It's going to be due 30 days from now, which is July 24th. How much was my bill? How much do I owe Atlas Coffee?
$3.75.
$3.75. Okay. So therefore, right now, with all the bills that you have received, so you purchased 4 times, you owe a total of $1,473.75. Okay. You still have the opportunity to take advantage of the discount, right? We got two of them that you could take discounts for. Okay. All right. So what's next? What was my invoice number? What were my terms?
COD.
It was COD, cash on delivery. So therefore, I owed $62.50, but I paid using check number 1523. So therefore, I should have my calculation say I owe nothing to Freightline. Right? I received my coffee and I paid for the delivery charges. So, what is next? What's next?
Inventory?
Inventory, right? We just purchased our inventory, so we need to update our inventory. Okay. So let's start with our regular coffee over here. It is 624. We got 125 pounds. Okay. At $1.39. So what's my purchase price?
$173.75.
$173.75 plus $31.25 of freight gives me a grand total of $205 even. So in this case, okay, I need to add and update my inventory. So in this case, I'm going to add 125 to 91.50. So you should have 216.5. What's my new total cost?
35280.
35280, which I believe that does match my ledger. Let's see. Yeah, 35280. Good. So this has calculated, so my new average cost per item since the price of the coffee went up, so has my cost per item, right? It is now 1.62956. Okay. So let's go also update my Supreme coffee, right? It's the 24th. And we decide to purchase 125 at price point of 161, right? That should give you your 201.25 plus the 31.25 for the freight. What's my new total cost?
$232.50.
232.50. And what is my cost per item?
186.
$1.86. So in this case, right, if I plug in my new batch of inventory for for 125 at $1.86, that should give me my grand total of the 232.50. So in this case, I should have 233 units at a total of $431.22. Which, let's see if that matches. In this case, yes, $431.22 does match. Okay. All right, so we did the journal, right? We did the ledger, we did the subsidiary ledger, and we completed the inventory worksheet. Okay. So let's go ahead and do this last transaction here, and then I think we'll call it a day, okay? So in this case, we are delivering to the corner bookstore, like I mentioned. We didn't forget about them. So let's journalize that we have delivered to the corner bookstore. Okay. Here you go. We delivered to the corner bookstore, right? We sold 15 pounds of regular coffee, 10 pounds of Supreme coffee, and 15 coffee mugs, right? Giving us a grand total of $194.10. So let's plug it into our journal. How much regular coffee did we sell?
49.35.
What about Supreme coffee?
39.90.
$39.90. ceramic coffee mugs.
$74.85.
And last but not least, delivery fees to get you $194.10. Okay. Let's change up my description because this time I sold two. The Corner Bookstore, invoice number 105, terms. I gave Corner Bookstore 1%, 15 net 30.
We go to the ledger.
Mm-hmm. So accounts receivable. How much does the Corner Bookstore owe me?
$194.10.
$194.10. So in this case, in grand total, how much do people owe me? How much do the customers owe the company?
$1568.27.
$1568.27. Excellent. All right, so let's go ahead and go through the sales. Okay, how many pounds of regular coffee did we sell?
15.
15. And how much was that? 49.35? What's my ending balance in the cost of goods sold for regular coffee? I mean, sales for the regular coffee.
608.65.
608.65. Good. Okay. What about the Supreme coffee? How many pounds did I sell here?
It was 10.
We sold 10 pounds. Okay. For $39.90. What's my ending balance in my cost of good? I keep saying cost of goods sold. My sales for Supreme Coffee.
$638.40.
$638.40. Good. Okay. And how many ceramic coffee mugs did I sell? Let's see.
15.
We sold 15. Good. So 24, 15. For a total of 74.85. So what is my grand total of sales for my ceramic coffee mugs? $720.72. Good. And last but not least, I have some delivery income. Okay. So what's my total here? 180. Good.
You can go to the subledger.
Okay. Subledger. And what do you want to do there?
Go to the corner bookstore.
Okay. We can do the customers. The corner bookstore should be the last customer on your list. Here you go, corner bookstore. Did we give corner bookstore some terms?
Yes.
Okay, what were they?
The 1% 15 net 30.
1%, 15 at 30. So when is the discount due date? I believe so. Yes, the 9th of July. And of course, 30 days from now is going to be July 24th. Okay. What was his outstanding invoice amount?
$194.10.
194.10. So therefore, if you plug in your formulas, it should say that corner bookstore owes me 194.10, and the bottom tells me in grand total they still owe me $247.99. And if you notice here, you should be expecting a payment from the corner bookstore soon, right? Due on the 25th. Okay. Okay. What's next?
Albert's commissions?
We need to calculate Albert's commissions because he finally sold and delivered to the corner bookstore. So, same date. Invoice number 105 for 194.10. What's 10% of 194.10?
1941.
1941. So, in this case, he earned 1941 plus $26.54. So, as of right now, as of June 24th, we owe him $45.95. Okay. Right. What is next?
Inventory.
Inventory. Yep, we have to do our inventory. Okay. So in this case, right, we sold 15 pounds of regular coffee and 10 pounds of Supreme. Okay. Regular coffee. It's the 24th. We sold 10. No, we sold 15. Okay. What is my total cost of goods sold? If I sold a total of 15 pounds at $1.62,956.
24.44.
24.44. So let's go ahead and update my inventory. Okay, I sold 15 pounds. So that should leave me with 201 and 50. What is my new total cost?
328.36.
328.36. Okay. Good. Now that should give me my average cost to be roughly the same, except it actually increased by 10,000th of a penny. Okay. What about my Supreme coffee? I end up selling 10 pounds. Okay, let's see. Which batch of inventory am I going to take out from?
The
184.
Good. 184. So in this case, what's 10 times 184?
1840.
1840. Okay. So I'm going to go ahead and update my inventory. So in this case, I'm subtracting 10. So 108 subtract 10. Okay. Should give you 98, which should give you 180 and 32 cents, which overall should give you a total of $412.82. Okay. Well, now we got to match our inventory. Okay. So we got 1840 for Supreme, and we got 2444 for regular. Okay. We sold to the corner bookstore, right? Okay, with the invoice 105. Okay. So we got to adjust our ledger accounts. So starting with our cost of goods sold for the regular coffee. Okay. It is the 27th. And how many pounds did we sell?
$15.
For $24.44. So what's my ending balance in my cost of goods sold for the regular coffee?
481.39.
Excellent. Okay. And we also have to update my cost of goods sold for my Supreme coffee, right? Because I end up selling 10, I did it again. Sold 10 pounds for $18.40. So what should be my ending balance in my cost of goods sold for Supreme coffee?
$503.18.
503.18. Good. Okay, so we need to update our inventory. So starting with my regular coffee. We sold 15 pounds, which resulted in minus 24.44. So what should my ending balance be in my regular coffee account?
328.36.
328.36. Now let's double check our inventory. Is that true? 328.36. Yes. Okay. And let's go ahead and update my Supreme coffee for 624. Right? We end up selling 10 pounds. Okay, which gave us $18. Oops, not the wrong side. $18.40. So you should get $412.82. And is that true? Yes, $412.82 is correct. Okay. Any questions? We're gonna stop here. Any questions?
No.